Hey everyone, welcome back. So, if you're dealing with your Bluetooth suddenly not working, your wireless headphones not connecting, or you're seeing an actual error message related to your Intel wireless Bluetooth driver, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to break down why this happens and give you a step-by-step process to get your Bluetooth working again. Let's start with a quick explanation of what's going on. Intel makes a lot of the wireless chips that come built into laptops, and these chips need a driver, which is basically a small piece of software that lets Windows communicate properly with that hardware. When this driver becomes outdated, corrupted, or conflicts with a recent Windows update, you'll start seeing errors, Bluetooth devices failing to pair, or sometimes the Bluetooth option disappearing from your settings entirely. The first thing you want to try is the simplest one, which is restarting your computer. I know everyone says this for every tech problem, but specifically with driver issues, a restart forces Windows to reload all of its hardware drivers from scratch, and that alone fixes a surprising number of Bluetooth errors. If that doesn't work, the next step is to use Windows' built-in Troubleshooter. Go into your settings, click on System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and look for Bluetooth in the list. Run it, and Windows will automatically scan for common problems and attempt to fix them for you without you needing to do anything technical. The third and probably most important fix is updating your Bluetooth driver directly. Right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager. Scroll down until you find Bluetooth, click the little arrow to expand it, and you should see your Intel wireless Bluetooth adapter listed. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software and let Windows look for the latest version online. Now, if Windows says you already have the best driver installed but you're still having issues, that's actually pretty common. And in that case, I recommend going straight to Intel's official website instead. Search for Intel Driver and Support Assistant, download that tool directly from Intel, and let it scan your entire system. This tool is specifically built to detect outdated Intel components, including your wireless and Bluetooth drivers, and it will download the correct updated version specifically matched to your exact hardware model. If updating doesn't help, try the opposite approach, which is uninstalling the driver completely. Back in Device Manager, right-click on the Intel wireless Bluetooth adapter, select Uninstall Device, and make sure you check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device if it appears. Restart your computer afterward, and Windows will automatically detect the hardware again and reinstall a fresh, clean version of the driver from scratch. One more thing worth checking is whether Bluetooth is accidentally turned off at the hardware level rather than the software level. Some laptops have a physical switch or a function key combination, usually something like FN plus a key with a Bluetooth or airplane icon, that toggles wireless features on and off. Double-check that combination hasn't been pressed accidentally. And finally, if none of this works, it's worth checking Windows Update for any optional driver updates specifically, since sometimes Intel pushes their official driver updates directly through Windows rather than through their own website. That's everything you need to fix your Intel wireless Bluetooth driver error. If this got your Bluetooth working again, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.